Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make another project using a flyer from my recent holiday. Okay, so let's get going then. I covered the flyers with white gesso as they are really glossy. I chose one of the flyers and gave it a coat of soft gel in order to stick down the rice paper I'd chosen to cover it with. I was just using up some scraps from a larger piece. As the flyer was still rather flimsy, I decided to mount it on a piece of cardboard. I used red liner tape to stick it down. I chomped the excess off using the guillotine. As the background was still a bit dark, I dry brushed white gesso over the top. For some reason, it took me absolutely ages to put this composition together, which is why I didn't film it. I had lots of paper doll images out, but settled on the Finnabair lady. I used heavy body gel and started to glue them in place. Once all stuck down, I gave everything a coat of black gesso. I used mica powders to create a unique color to paint the pieces with. In order for the powder to stick, you need to add a binder, hence the varnish and or the soft gel. I ensured it was fully dried as I wanted to add in a lighter color to bring out more of the textures. I then decided to frame the project using the gold mica. So I brushed around all of the edges, giving it a bit of a margin. I added some water into the mix as I wanted to add some splatters. As a finishing touch, I framed the paper image with gold too. Once everything was completely dry, I added the image using heavy body gel to stick it down with. And there we have it, the finished project. Hope you like it and thanks for staying with me. Until next time, bye.